Hello, fellow Earthlings, and welcome to Infinite Minds. As you all know, our planet is graced with enormous ancient ice giants called glaciers. For geologists, they're not just ice. They're like Earth's very own sculptors, carving out magnificent valleys over thousands of years. These icy titans and the huge icebergs that break off them are very important for ocean life. When they melt, they release fresh water and nutrients, kind of like a vitamin boost for tiny ocean creatures, which then feed bigger ones. However, due to global warming, we are seeing more and more of these icebergs calve off from their glacier parent. The world's largest iceberg floats freely in the Southern Ocean. Iceberg A23a is a 1,500 square mile ice mass larger than the state of Rhode Island. This iceberg weighs approximately 1 trillion tons and measures around 1,300 feet thick. It began its journey in August 1986, when it calved, or broke off, from Antarctica's Filchner ice shelf. The iceberg remained grounded on the seafloor in the Weddell Sea for the next 3 decades. In 2020, it detached from the seabed and began drifting north. For the next 4 years, the iceberg followed the Antarctic circumpolar current on a path known as Iceberg Alley. Around April 2024, it became trapped in an ocean vortex, a Taylor column, near the South Orkney Islands. In Taylor columns, currents flowing around underwater mountains create rotating columns of water. It then began spinning counterclockwise about 15 degrees every day, trapped in a swirling vortex for 8 months. In December 2024, this massive iceberg broke free from the Taylor column and is drifting north in the Southern Ocean. The iceberg could collide with South Georgia, an island in the South Atlantic Ocean. Although the iceberg escaped one fate, it now floats toward its probable demise. If the iceberg doesn't hit South Georgia, the British Antarctic Survey predicts that it will likely split into smaller icebergs and meet a watery grave in the warmer currents of the north. Landsat images help scientists study icebergs and other surface phenomena, as well as indirectly reveal geological features beneath the ocean through observations such as those of sediment plumes and changes in ocean color. With everything we've been reading in the news from the past years, it's clear our planet is heating up. This global warming is causing these magnificent glaciers to melt at an alarming rate. We're seeing more and more of these giants calving off, which means they're breaking away from their parent ice sheets. The faster they melt, the more water goes into our oceans, leading to rising sea levels that can flood coastal cities. Plus, all that extra fresh water can mess with ocean currents, which are like the climate control system for our planet. So, while the journey of this gigantic iceberg is an incredible natural spectacle, it's also a giant frosty alarm bell, telling us that global warming is seriously changing our world, and our amazing glaciers are feeling the heat. We hope you enjoyed this video. Once again, thank you very much for watching another Infinite Minds episode. We are building a new community here. If you'd like to support the channel and see more content like this, clicking the like button and subscribing is a wonderful way to do so. As always, take care and stay healthy. Talk to you in the next video.